What's up, my toes, and all you nail techs out there? This is a message specifically for all you amazing nail techs who have registered for the nail tech event at the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. If you guys don't already know, Tobro, myself, is going to be there to do a hands-on OmniFix certification course. For anyone who hasn't signed up, this is definitely the course you want to go to because number one, it's going to help treat your client's ingrowns. It's an amazing, non-invasive, non-painful, non-surgical correction system for curved, difficult ingrown toenails. And number two, it's gonna provide a great service and another revenue of income. I do a lot of ingrown toenail surgeries, but unfortunately not everyone can. And this is another type of treatment that can help correct ingrowns without having to do an ingrown toenail surgery. So I want you guys to really learn and invest in yourselves. This is a great course. And if you guys don't already know, the kit that you get with, the certification course, you can provide over $6,000 value of service in your nail salon. So it's a great investment. It's a great tool. It's something that I use every day because not everyone wants to do nail surgery. So again, nail tech event at the Smokies. Tobro is going to be there July 11th. I want you guys to sign up and I can't wait to see you guys then.